explorers, welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So let us begin with the chapter number 2 of grammar, and the name of the chapter is nouns. So the name of a person, animal, place or thing is called a noun. कि ऐसा पर्सन का नाम, एनिमल का नाम, प्लेस का नाम या फिर किसी भी थिंग का नाम को हम नाउन्स के नाम से जानते हैं, राइट? दैट मीन्स ऑल द नेमिंग वर्ड्स आर नोन एज द नाउन, राइट? So the examples that we have here are Vivek, Neha, cow, India, school, book, etc. Right? Now look at the pictures and read the sentences carefully. तो जल्दी से पिक्चर्स को देखते हैं और इन सेंटेंसेस को ध्यान से पढ़ते हैं. So Nisha is beautiful. So here we saw that Nisha is the name of a person, right? The tiger is in the forest. So tiger is the name of an animal. My uncle lives in Delhi. And here Delhi is the name of a place. This ball is round in shape. Hence, ball is the name of a thing, right? So, what they are trying to tell us about these sentences? So, in the above mentioned sentences, Nisha, tiger, Delhi, and ball are the naming words, right? तो जितने भी ऊपर sentences हैं, उन सभी में जो highlighted words हैं, that means Nisha, tiger, Delhi, and ball. ये सभी naming words हैं, right? And hence these naming words are known as noun. और हम इन्हीं naming words को nouns के नाम से जानते हैं, right? Next, there are 5 kinds of nouns. So, total 5 तरीके के nouns होते हैं. And they are proper nouns, common nouns, collective nouns, material nouns, and the abstract nouns, right? So, ये हमारे 5 तरीके के nouns है, right? So, moving ahead, let's read about the types of nouns in detail. So, the types of nouns. First of all, that we have is the proper noun. So, now what is a proper noun? They are the special names of persons, places, animals and things. कि proper nouns क्या होते हैं? जो भी special नाम person, place, animal या फिर things को दिए जाते हैं so that we can simply recognize them, right? We can simply differentiate those naming words with the other words. Those are known as the proper noun. और examples हैं Shweta, India, Bruno, रामायण etc. राइट. उसी के बाद नेक्स्ट कैटेगरी आती है कॉमन नाउन. तो अब ये कॉमन नाउन्स क्या है? दे आर द कॉमन नेम्स ऑफ पर्सन्स, एनिमल्स, प्लेसेस और थिंग्स ऑफ द सेम काइंड. सो ये जो कॉमन नाउन्स हैं दे आर एक्चुअली द कॉमन नेम्स ऑफ पर्सन्स, एनिमल्स, प्लेसेस और थिंग्स जो कि सेम काइंड के हैं, राइट? And the examples are boy, dog, city, tree, etc. Right? Next kind of noun that we have is the collective nouns. So now what is a collective noun? So they are the names or the group of a kind. ये names actually किसी भी चीज के collection को यानी कि groups को दिए जाते हैं. So hence the examples are flock, litter, shoal, etc. Right? Next, we have the material nouns. So now what is a material noun? They are the names for some particular kind of substance from which things are made. Right? कि ये जो material nouns है ये नाम है कुछ particular kind of substance के, right? जिनसे use करके हम other things बना सकते हैं. So they are considered as the material nouns. And the examples are gold, wood, glass, etc. Right? After that, we have the abstract nouns. So now what are these abstract nouns? These are nouns that express an idea, emotion, feeling और quality. तो ये जो abstract nouns होते हैं ये actually ऐसे nouns हैं जो हमारे idea, emotions, feelings और thoughts को express करते हैं. Right? They cannot be seen, touched, smelled, tasted or heard. Right? ये जो abstract nouns होते हैं ना तो हम इन्हें देख सकते हैं, ना ही हम इन्हें टच कर सकते हैं, ना स्मेल कर सकते हैं, ना टेस्ट कर सकते हैं और ना ही सुन सकते हैं. Right? And the examples are beauty, love, friendship, etc. Right? So ये हैं हमारे types of nouns. So that was all about the chapter. I hope you all are clear with the nouns as well as its signs. So that was all from my side. I hope you all enjoyed it and gathered more information from here. So thank you so much and have a great day ahead.